blurry on Facebook on purpose. That way y'all can come over here to the other side and actually see a difference. Yeah. Uh-oh, we got Ruler Ramundo just came from TikTok, y'all. I wish I still had my TikTok. I need somebody else TikTok. Have to build mine back up. Boy, I want some of that corn now too, y'all. I can imagine a beef fajita quesadilla with a little green sauce and some corn. Right lane with these. Let me see. Now I be running game, but this ain't game. Same game. Do everything and anything. There go another one of them lookouts. Oh, no, he been washing it, y'all. Still looking good. I got that same fly out ink on there. Alrighty, guys, coming up next we have Nissan 240, and this thing has a major power adder, single turbo with a parachute. Look out, look out. Alrighty, guys, coming up next in the left lane we have a 1968 Chevy. Oh yeah, dude. These guys here are out of Minnesota. Alright, these guys have done a heck of a burnout. Everyone is pointing to the right lane. We're gonna see if left lane has the power to make an upstick. We have Funky Town in the building. Funky 20 to 10. Okay, big block. Oh, man. Damn. You gonna get him? Okay. Okay, they said, Funky Town say he been with this Chevelle. I done got my toe wet, y'all. Dang. I don't know where I want to go. Let me get in front of you. I'm going over here. Alrighty, guys. We're pretty sure that this thing here in the right lane with this magnificent, giant, huge turbo is gonna get the job done. He's been here at previous times. Oh yeah, man, that guy over there is with Desert 1320. Hey, look out. Alrighty, guys, coming up. It doesn't pull into me. Alrighty, guys, right lane for the win due to the red light on the left lane. But it looks like if left lane hadn't red lighted, it looks like it would be a good race. I don't know, because that car did not go around him. Yeah. Funky Town just got off work. Yeah, look. Funky Town. Yeah.
He kept that week.
He ain't kept it.
He ain't kept it. Like before they took off.
Yeah.
He kept.
They get up there.
2 cars on that weekend.
So next time they get up there.
Give me eyes.
Yeah.
Next time you give me eyes.
Okay.
I'm betting 100.
Well, y'all come in.
Next
Yeah.
time you give me eyes.
White car.
We need a drop barrel. Mustang off.
Dang, my blue car. Let me see.
It's we got it over here in the stands.
Okay. Oh, there you go, right there. Let me get it. Let me see something. Dang, I don't think flying low.
What you pay
Hey,
that bitch good to that?
let me get that. Yeah,
He came around.
Hell no, you
no,
shit got no
that I can't beat that. Dang, y'all. Okay. Hey, y'all. He done made me a Mustang like mine, man. Let me see it. God dang, that mug clean too, y'all. Do look like mine. It's an RC car. Ooh, I'm finna be doing something, y'all. Oh yeah. Got me a Mustang. Ooh, got my paint coat on there. It's finna go down, y'all. I don't know how I'm finna. Man, here I come. I'm finna go around there and get it.
And Pro Tree on his windshield. And a Pro Tree.
Yeah, one. No, I think it's 132 scale. Okay. Y'all hear that little cam in it? Okay. See where I'm at? Okay, should be. No, I ain't gonna even go through there. Okay, dang sled. Line it up, RC car. Check out the doodle bug. Look out. Phew.
Look out, you better get back to that line.
I'm trying to. We got Tom in the building. Look out. How you doing today?
Good.
Me too.
Ready for tomorrow?
Yeah, it's gonna be big. Alrighty, guys. Right here we have Extreme. I'm right here. I have lots of RC crawlers with 110 scale tracks. Look out. Y'all ain't missing no action. Ain't nobody over there doing nothing. You ain't hear a burnout. Yeah, you can push him out the way. Yeah, y'all, I got this car. Attention in the pit.
So if you want to paint a wing, use the mark.
These the parts right here. Okay.